So what's up guys, and welcome to my top 5 Android widgets of 2017. Now this is my first full video actually using the Lumix GH5, which is my brand new camera, so thumbs up if you enjoy the quality, and with that being said, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So the first app is Sectograph, essentially a clock widget, a calendar widget, and a to-do list all thrown together into the mix. It syncs with your Google Calendar, so there's no real extra setting up you need to do. You just literally hit the sync button and you're good to go. So all the things that you sort of were meant to do in that day will be displayed in this circular wheel depending on what time you need to do them. So next up is Time Until, primarily for those really impatient people. So if there's an event coming up, it could be birthday, a season, or even your next holiday, you plug it into the application and then it'll show you a timer consisting of days, hours, minutes, and even seconds until the event occurs. It's also a pretty clean looking widget, and if you pay for the premium version, it unlocks quite a few more customization options. So then we've got Bubble Cloud, something which looks almost a little bit too familiar from Apple's watch interface. But I mean, that's exactly what it is. It's essentially placing a bunch of applications of your choice into bubbles, and in a way that you can customize them yourself. You can decide how many bubbles you want, the size of the bubbles, and even the size of the variance between the sizes of the different bubbles. So it's just a more novel way to show your applications. So then we've got the one and only Zuppa widget. What I'd say is the perfect mix between something which is customizable, but also something which is easy to use. At its very core, Zuppa widget allows you to create your own widgets. You can adjust everything from text, colors, to background opacity, adding in your own logos, shapes, or avatars. As you can see here, I've actually made a Mrwhosetheboss clock and weather widget. Pretty cool. Just above that is an example of the templates you can get. So this modified Google search widget as well as the clock widget are just two examples of the thousands and thousands of different ones you could download. And the implication of this is that you can actually modify them yourself. So if you don't want to start from scratch with your own widget, just use a template and change it. You could change the color of the text, the color of the background, add a little logo in the corner, it doesn't matter, and it's entirely up to you, and that's what makes Zuppa such a great investment. There is also a free version, but it doesn't quite let you flex your creative muscles in the same way as the pro version. So then we've got Night Screen, and whilst it might look like an icon on the face of it, I assure you this is a widget, and it essentially gives you a very quick and convenient way to access the screen dimming function on your smartphone. So it allows you to dim your screen below the levels of brightness you would normally be able to in case you're reading at night, for example. So there we go guys, those were 5 incredible widgets you can get on your Android phone in 2017. If you did enjoy the video, I'd really appreciate it if you smash the subscribe button and turn on notifications. With that being said, I'm Mrwhosetheboss, and I'm signing out.